I'm Sophia. I'm so happy to get to know Angel, a very wonderful and excellent trainer. Through her training, I have picked up a lot of knowledge about digital narrative storytelling, the skills, the techniques, and at the same time, it helped inspire me that I want to learn about these techniques, because I think this technology can help me in coaching people, helping people to inspire their dream, actualize their dream, helping people to find exactly who they are, and also helping in counseling, like coaching family and counseling. So I think it's a very wonderful technology that all of us must learn. It's just like producing a microfilm, but it's in a very simple yet effective way.